Mine's going to be purely a product pitch. Don't come to it. Go to Ellen's. I mean, that's all. No product pitches. We're going to talk about the Model Context Protocol, or MCP, and we're going to kind of dig into it and see what it is, why does it matter, how to build an MCP server, should you build an MCP server, answer a lot of those questions, kind of, I hate to use the cliche, but try to demystify it a little bit, because there's a lot of hype around MCP and Gen AI in general. But we're going to kind of break it down, and really the answer might surprise you. Should you build your own? Maybe, but we're going to let you decide. We're going to build one ourselves. We're going to get hands on the keyboard. Not a lot of actual coding, but some copy pasting of code and actually running the server, testing it out. We're going to also create a client application, an AI agent, using the Strands Agents framework from AWS, which is open source, works with Bedrock out by default, but can work with OpenAI, can work with Anthropic, can work with Olama. Anything you really want to run, it can work with. And we're going to create an AI agent. It's going to talk to our MCP server, going to tell us how to manage our IVS resources, and only using IVS because that happens to be the product that I represent. But as you'll see, it's very plug and play. The concepts that you'll learn will be applicable to any AWS service and really any third-party API that you can imagine. So I hope to see you there. Thank you.